You, Pain? I got something to say to you.
B5O What beanstalk you fall from?
Welcome. I'm glad you made it to this channel. This is Combat University. On this channel, I go over how to do different self-defense techniques using clips from movies, anime, cartoons, or whatever people send me that they want to see. So for this episode, I'll be using a scene from the movie Major Payne, all right, a man after my own military heart. So in this scene, the kids had hired this biker to come and beat down Major Payne and get him to leave. That's not exactly what happened. But the scene I'm going to use is where this biker uses sucker punch, right? Sucker punch to strike Major Payne. And then Major Payne gets up and defends himself. Well, I'll be using some of the defense techniques that Major Payne used, but integrate them with when he got sucker punched. So check out the scene, and I'll meet you back here to go over what Major Payne should have done right off the bat in this situation. Let's check it out.
I heard that it's time for you to leave.
You know what I heard? I heard your mama was so fat, she played pool with the planets. Now what I'm gonna do is take this right foot and I'm put it across the left side of your face.
Don't give me that Billy Jack.
Hi! Hi! Alright, so we have the biker here, and he's coming in, he does a sucker punch, right? What is a sucker punch? He pulled back, like he's gonna almost leave, like not expecting it, and boom, struck him right in the face, knocked him down. Eventually, you saw Major Payne got up, he did his little dance step, distracted him, right? Struck him in the neck, kicked him in the groin. Well, that's what we're gonna do here. I'm going to show you how to integrate that same move, but when he was getting struck. Okay, so we see the biker. He pulled way back, like he's turning around, and he comes back and he strikes. So as he strikes, we're going to step, block, strike, kick, but from here, instead of just finishing there, we're going to go ahead and finish with a hammer. So again, we're taking what he used, but we're going to use it against the actual strike. So he goes to strike. Step, throw punch. We kind of push him back a little bit, kick in the groin, hammer to the face. One more time. Step, block, strike, kick him in the groin, hammer to the face. For this one, we're going to use the back. Okay, we see him, we see the biker, he winds up, so we see it coming, we step and block, strike to the throat, kick to the groin, hammer. Block and strike, kick, hammer. Okay, so no bag, no bob, we're just going to do the technique. Looking at the biker. Step, block, strike to the throat, kick, hammer. One time from the back. One time from the back. Block, strike, groin strike, hammer. So you'll see that Major Payne got struck first, and then he came up and then he did the technique. So let's go over that. You can either be struck first, and now you're facing an opponent, or maybe you want to be the aggressor. You're not going to let him strike first, but you're going to make the first move. This is what you would do. Major Payne got up. He did his little fancy footwork. We're not going to do that. But what he did do, he struck with his left hand. So step, strike, and he kicked. We're going to follow up with the hammer. So if you're closer and you don't need to take a step, that's fine too. Just strike, kick, hammer. Okay, so one more time. We're here. Here's a biker. Strike, kick, hammer. And that's how you defend against a biker if you're in major pain. Alright, go try it out. And if you like these videos, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time to go over more self-defense techniques.